Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. For that you have to tie the hairs from the sides like this. Now fix them upward by folding it like this. So first tie the section of hairs from the between, rotate it. Now fix it. Now make the plaits and fold it upward like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Now fix the left part on the right side. Now make the plaits and fix it and it's done. Next, tie half of the hairs or a ponytail on the back. Now tie it and rotate it. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Now by joining the hairs from the sides, we will make the plaits like this. Now roll the hairs upward to make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and divide it into two parts. Now rotate it upward. Make the plaits on the bottom part of the hairs after rotating it. Fold it upward and fix it. Next, tie the ponytail. Fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and fold it upward like this to make the bun and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs, divide it and then fold it upward and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, divide it and then roll it by taking the hairs from the sides like this. Roll it together. Now make the plaits on the end like this. After that, fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now again, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Divide the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now fold it upward and fix it as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Pull out the hairs from the top like this. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Repeat the process for a few more times. Now after that we will pull out the hairs again. Now tie all the hairs in the same manner. Fix it properly one by one by making the plaits. Fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits or tie a ponytail and divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide it from the between and roll it like this. Now fix them into each other. Follow these steps as we are fixing the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and put this bun clip on the right side. Now tie it from the bottom, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this and then rotate it. Put the hairs inside the bun like this to make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Repeat the same process for a few more times. Tie the hairs and rotate it for a few more times as shown in the video. Keep tying the hairs, fix it by making the plaits at the end, fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating it, put this hair clip. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it into small sections and fix it inside the clip. Now tie it on the bottom and then roll it down and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs, tie them from the between and then rotate the hairs like this. Now fix them into each other, fold it upward, tie it from the bottom and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs, roll them one by one and fix it all together upward. Now on the right side, make the plaits on the hairs, fold it upward and fix it like this. Now roll it and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail and put this bun pin. Now roll the hairs and fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now put this bun clip on the hairs, roll it down and fix it and it's done. Thanks for watching.